Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the language on the Asphalt Legends Unite game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Asphalt Legends Unite game on your device and you will be taken into the homepage from which you can start your game right away. Now if you wish to change the language within the game, just click on the gear icon at the top right corner and then tap on Game Settings. Within this menu, you will now find Language and Country. Go ahead and tap on this, and now you can choose your language as well as your country. Just scroll down and choose whichever language you wish to use the game interface within. And after you choose your language, you can go back and you may be asked to restart the game for the changes to take effects. So you can simply quit the game and then restart it, and you will notice that the language will be changed to the one that you just selected right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the language within the Asphalt Legends Unite game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.